paper we have 3 questions in which there is correction, that is question number 22, and answer is they are not saying that which is true or false. इन्होंने आंसर दे दिया था ट्रू के हिसाब से, लेकिन इन्होंने पूछा है नॉट ट्रू, तो वहाँ पे कोई मैच ही नहीं कर रहा है। यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 22 में एक क्वेश्चन ही हो गया। क्वेश्चन नंबर 56 में इन्होंने आंसर दिया है एंटी वाले ने ए का, लेकिन करेक्ट आंसर क्या है? सी है। करेक्ट आंसर क्या है? सी है। और क्वेश्चन नंबर 57 में ये ऑटोसोमल एक्स लिंक्ड रिसेसिव बोलते हैं, लेकिन एक्स लिंक्ड रिसेसिव नहीं है, वो डिसीज एक्स लिंक्ड डोमिनेंट है। ओके, तो यहाँ पे करेक्शन है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 88 में मेंशन नहीं किया कि मोनोइसिस है, कि इनको मेंशन करना चाहिए था, मोनोइसिस है, तब आंसर जो दिया उन्होंने उस हिसाब से आता। लेकिन अगर कुछ ना बोले तो ये प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन है, एज इट इज प्रीवियस ईयर में आ चुका है ये, तो हमको वहाँ पे मोनोइसिस माना गया था, तो यहाँ पे मोनोइसिस मान के चलना है, अगर कुछ ना बोले यूनिसेक्सुअल बोले तो ये हो गया एक। और फिर बात करते हैं कुछ हार्ड क्वेश्चन की, तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, क्वेश्चन नंबर 20, 26, 27, 50 का एक अच्छा क्वेश्चन था मेंटलिज्म का। ओके, अच्छा क्वेश्चन था दिमाग लगाने वाला। और एक 65, 77, 85 और 88, तो एक अच्छा पेपर है सर। यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा टफ है, और यहाँ पे जो एवरेज स्कोर है वो कितना 320 प्लस हो सकता है, अच्छा स्कोर। Term genophore or nucleoid can be used for. See, genophore or nucleoid term that is also known as incipient nucleus. This term is used for members of Monera, and bacteria belong to Monera. Yes, Mycoplasma belong to Monera. Yes, Cyanobacteria, bacteria, Archaebacteria, Blue algae. This all belongs to Monera. So this is all of this is a required answer. Identify the correct statement. All vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrate, because some are protochordate like Urogata and Cephalochordata. So it is correct statement. All craniate are vertebrate, but all vertebrate are not craniate. No, all vertebrate are craniate, yes, because they have cranium, and all craniate are vertebrate as well. The reverse is not true, because vertebrate craniate is a term that is used for the same thing. So it is incorrect. All flatworm possess metamerism, but no, flatworm does not possess metamerism. Metamerism first of all seen in Annelida, so it is incorrect, and first is the correct answer, so it is the required answer, C. All vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrate, because some are protochordates. Next is identify the correct pairing. Correct pair, radially symmetrical, Cylindrita, yes, Cylindrita. Okay, the members of Cylindrita are, that is also known as Cnidaria, are radially symmetrical. They are radially symmetrical. First is correct. Okay, which of the following option correctly define the effect of cortisol on the given सबस्ट्रेट? ओके, कॉर्टिसोल, सी कॉर्टिसोल के लिए लाइन बोली जाती है कि कॉर्टिसोल सब कुछ तोड़ के ग्लूकोज बनाएगा। कॉर्टिसोल सब कुछ तोड़ के ग्लूकोज बनाएगा, तो वो क्या करेगा? लाइपोलाइसिस करेगा, प्रोटियोलाइसिस करेगा, और कार्बोहाइड्रेट तोड़ेगा ना, बिल्कुल, ग्लाइकोजिनोलाइसिस करेगा, सबको तोड़ देगा। तो यहाँ पे इट इंक्रीज द ब्लड ग्लूकोज लेवल, क्योंकि ब्लड ग्लूकोज लेवल उसको बढ़ाना है, तो उसको सब कुछ तोड़ के ग्लूकोज बनाएगा। सो इट इंक्रीज द ब्लड ग्लूकोज लेवल, तो यहाँ पे इंक्रीज करेगा कैसे? ब्रेक डाउन करके, सब कुछ तोड़ के। ओके, यहाँ पे इंपॉर्टेंट ये है कि कॉर्टिसोल इज ओके मेंटेनिंग, ओके, इट इंक्रीज द ग्लूकोज, ओके, इट इंक्रीज लाइपोलाइसिस, प्रोटियोलाइसिस एंड ग्लाइकोजिनोलाइसिस। ओके, ग्लाइकोजिनोलाइसिस मतलब ग्लूकोजिनेसिस करेगा कैसे? लाइपोलाइसिस और प्रोटियोलाइसिस करके। नेक्स्ट इज यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म आर केपेबल ऑफ, जो यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म होते हैं वो इंडिपेंडेंट एग्जिस्टेंस भी शो करते हैं, एंड दे आल्सो परफॉर्म द एसेंशियल फंक्शन ऑफ लाइफ, सो इट इज करेक्ट। नेक्स्ट इज अमंग द ऑप्शन, okay, find out a group of correct feature about floral character of family Liliaceae. If Liliaceae family is not zygomorphic, because we have only one family in our syllabus that is zygomorphic, that is Fabaceae. And Trimerus, okay, Liliaceae trimerus, which has three tepals. Okay, 6 tepals means 3 parent. Okay, polydolphus superior ovary with exile placentation. Which of the following statement is not in relation to more selection? To more selection of pesticide resistant microbes? C. It is an stochastic process. Yes, stochastic process. Stochastic means random, or stochastic means chance event, is a chance event. Stochastic means chance event, so it is correct. Okay, It is accelerated by anthropogenic action. Yes, it is an example of anthropogenic action. It is accelerated by anthropogenic action. It is also correct. It has occurred in very less time. Okay, yes, in within months and year. It is also correct. It is also correct. It is a directed process, and in the sense of determination, no, it is not a directed process. It is not a directed process. It is not a directed process. So it is incorrect. The correct meaning of the expression gynoecium is apocarpus. See, apocarpus means gynoecium is polycarpillary, but it is free. It is polycarpillary, but it is free. When more than one carpel is present, then it is called as polycarpillary, and it may be free. जैसे कि कहाँ पे देखने को मिलता है, लोटस के अंदर, रामलीला मैदान. It is lotus, rose, lotus, and Machilea. So apocarpus condition. Okay, see, in NCERT, 12 NCERT, we have Machilea, which show apocarpus condition with multicarpillary apocarpus condition. It is Machilea. See diagram, see the diagram number, see that is multicarpillary. C is multicarpillary. Okay, B is multicarpillary apocarpus, and C is multicarpillary. C is multicarpillary apocarpus, and B is multicarpillary syncarpus. This is Machilea. It comprises of more than one carpel, all of which are free. That is apocarpus. And next is which of the following stage of cross bridge is shown in the diagram? C. This is the cross bridge. Okay, and this is the cross bridge formation. Okay, this is a cycle. Okay, this is sliding filament theory. Okay, this is sliding filament theory, and this is the cross bridge. Okay, and this step is the formation of cross bridge. Okay, next is who is considered to be the first hominid among the following options? C. First human-like being, hominid, which is Homo habilis. Homo habilis are the first human-like being that are known as hominid, and they have brain capacity or cranial capacity of 650 to 800 cc. So Homo habilis is the correct answer. Which of the following statement is not true? In plant, outer layer of the cell is cell wall, and in animal it is cell membrane. It is absolutely correct because animal lacks cell wall. Dense membrane bound nucleus and semi-fluid matrix cytoplasm is present only in eukaryote. See, cytoplasm is present in both. Okay, in both prokaryote and eukaryote. Okay, we have semi-fluid matrix known as cytoplasm. Means cytoplasm is present in both prokaryote and eukaryote. So it is incorrect. It is saying that it is only present in eukaryote. So it is incorrect. And the required answer: cytoplasm is the main area of, that is NCERT is written that cytoplasm is the main arena or main area of cellular activity. So it is also correct, and we have B, which is incorrect, and the required answer. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Most of the euglenoid live in running fresh water, while dinoflagellate are mostly marine. No, most of the euglenoid live in fresh water and which is stagnant. Stagnant का मतलब होता है रुका हुआ पानी. Most of the euglenoids are present in stagnant water and not in flowing water. So it is incorrect, and the required answer. Euglena carry same pigment as that of higher plant. Yes. Okay, and amoeba protozoan. Okay, amoeboid protozoan live in fresh water, sea water, or moist soil. Yes. And the next is marine amoeboids have silica shell on their surface. Yes. Select the correct statement. Neural coordination is fast and long lived. Okay, hypothalamus form. It is incorrect. Neural coordination is short lived and not long lived. So it is incorrect. Hypothalamus form the basal part of diencephalon. Yes, hypothalamus form the basal part of diencephalon. It is correct in the required answer. Next, move with next part. The right statement among the following is lemur and spotted cuscus are the result of different adaptive radiation. Yes, lemur and spotted cuscus are the result of different adaptive radiation, and when more than one adaptive radiation take place in an isolated geographical area, it is said to be convergent evolution. So it is correct. It is correct. Yeah, they are result of different adaptive rotations. These are placental mammals and these are hostile marsupial. And Sati has written when more than one adaptive rotation occur in an isolated geographical area, then it is called as convergent evolution. So it is also correct. The flying phalanger and Tasmanian wolf result different. Flying phalanger and Tasmanian wolf. Okay, they represent different adaptive rotation. No, it is incorrect. And Darwin finches does not show convergent evolution. They show divergent evolution. They diverge from one place. So it is incorrect. B is incorrect. And D is Darwin finches have evolved from insectivorous blood. No. Darwin finches has evolved from original that are seal-eating birds. So it is incorrect. Okay, we have only A is correct and the required answer is A. Abundantly distributed enzyme in germinating seed and adipocyte AC. In germinating seed we have a lot of carbohydrate, and to bake this lot of carbohydrate we and carbohydrate and fat, so we have lipases. Okay, in oil, like elaioplast which still oil and fat, it is present in most of the seed, so it has lipase that for breaking of fat and oil. Mouth part of cockroach are biting and chewing type. The mouth part of cockroach are biting and chewing type. The mouth part of cockroach is biting and chewing type. Next is each limb of human body possesses 30 bones. Each limb of human body possesses 30 bones. 30 bones. Next is for Phycomycetes class of fungi, incorrect statement is the mycelium is aseptate and cynocytic. It is correct because in Phycomycetes we have A, B, C, that is aseptate, branch and cynocytic. Aseptate, branch and cynocytic mycelium is found in Phycomycetes, so it is correct. The fusion of male gamete result in the formation of zygospore. It is absolutely correct. Okay, it is a diploid structure. Zygospore is a diploid structure. Okay. Mode of asexual reproduction by motile aplanospore. No. Motile aplanospore are non-motile and not motile. So it is incorrect in the required answer. Okay. DNA fingerprinting recognize the difference in DNA fingerprinting recognize the difference in the repetitive DNA as well as satellite DNA which contain repetitive DNA. So we have both A and C, which is the DNA recognized DNA fingerprinting recognize differences in satellite DNA and repetitive DNA. Okay, the main feature of tRNA with regard to protein synthesis is C. Proofreading the function of DNA polymerase first, that is Kornberg enzyme. Identify amino acid and transport them to ribosome. Yes, this is the function of tRNA. That does not inhibit protein synthesis is inhibited by release factor. Next is amino acid are the organic compound containing an amino group and acidic group on alpha carbon. That's why they are known as alpha amino acid. Okay, alpha carbon, and these are substituted methanes. Okay. Next is which of the following is not true about S phase. Okay, DNA and histone are synthesized. Absolutely correct. Amount of DNA per cell become half. No, it amount get double and not half. So it is not correct. And okay, even after S phase chromosome number become double. No. S phase, okay, in chromosome number, in S phase amount get double and not the chromosome number, so it is incorrect. And we have not correct. We have two options which is incorrect, that is B and C. So in this question it is correction that they are not asking not true question, they are asking the true option, and the first option is true and the option goes to A because they are not asking not, they are asking true option, and A is the correct answer. Which statement is correct regarding the epithelium of small intestine and PCTC? Small intestine we have columnar epithelium. In small intestine and stomach we have columnar epithelium which free surface contain microvilli, and in nephron, and the tubular part of nephron, that is PCT, contain cuboidal epithelium which free surface bears microvilli for absorption. So we have both having small intestine has columnar epithelium and PCT have cuboidal epithelium, both having cuboidal compound columnar epithelium. No, both have simple epithelium with microvilli in the surface. Yes, simple epithelium. Okay, in intestine we have simple columnar epithelium. In PCT we have simple cuboidal epithelium. And next is, okay, which of the following structure is not correct for viroid? Which of the following is not correct for viroid? Cus purito tuber spindle disease and tobacco mosaic disease. No, tobacco mosaic disease is caused by virus and not by virus. It is incorrect and the required answer. It is discovered by Theodore in 1971. Yes, it has free RNA. It is free RNA and it lack a protein code. It has only RNA. Okay, RNA of viroid has low molecular weight. Okay, it is important. These are all important. These are all important things. These are all important things. Okay, and next is this is TMV, that is a virus, cholecystokinin act on the exocrine pancreas and gallbladder. It acts on the exocrine pancreas. This cholecystokinin, that is known as CCK, act on gallbladder and pancreas and stimulate the secretion of pancreatic juice and bile juice. So CCK क्या करता है, गाल ब्लैडर पे जाता है, पेनक्रियास पे जाता है और वहां से क्या निकलवाता है, बाइल जूस और पेनक्रियाटिक जूस. ओके, which of the following statement are true? In animal cell during S phase, DNA replication begin in nucleus and centriole duplicate in the cytoplasm. It is absolutely correct and we have to find out the correct statement. During G1 phase, protein are synthesized and cell continue to grow. G1 phase में protein synthesize होते हैं क्या? नहीं. In G2 phase and not in G1 phase. In G2 phase protein synthesis occur and not in G1 phase. In G2 phase protein synthesis occur. See this G2 phase, G2 here. It is G2 phase protein synthesis occur and where cytoplasm cell growth continues. Okay, so first is correct. And in G1 phase protein is synthesized and cell growth to continue. No, G2 phase it is incorrect. All cell in adult organism appear to exhibit cell division. All cell do not show cell division. Some exceptions are heart cell which does not divide, which enters a stage called quiescent stage or metabolically active stage, which is a metabolic active. So it is incorrect and we have only A is the correct answer. Resting membrane potential is maintained by pump, that is sodium potassium pump, which transport 3 sodium outside and 2 potassium inside. 3 potassium outside and 2 potassium into the cell. And the next is the term protonema is related to some plant which is, okay, see, protonema is haploid. It is a haploid stage, that is gametophytic stage. So it is a haploid stage which is found in mosses and it is important that it is a multicellular stage and it has branched rhizoid. Okay, it has a multicellular stage which has branched rhizoid. And next is the tissue is a group of cells which have common function and common origin. Okay, so origin should be common, origin must be common, but perform function may be or may not be common. So they have same origin and same function. So BC is 2. The meristematic that occur in the mature region of root and shoot of many plants, particularly those that produce woody axis and appear later than primary meristem, these are known as secondary meristem or lateral meristem. Jane Ingenhouse's experiment revealed that there was presence of bubble when an aquatic plant was placed in water. Okay, see, no, it is not the experimental revealed. See, according to Jane Ingenhouse's, light is very essential for photosynthesis. That is, he have shown the essentiality of sunlight. Okay, that means no presence of bubble when the aquatic plant is kept in dark. That is the correct option. If the life cycle of some plant do not involve a free living sporophyte and the dominant photosynthetic phase in the life cycle, okay, free living gametophyte, this type of life cycle is called as, okay, we don't have any free living sporophyte, then it is the sporophyte is the haplontic life cycle, then it is haplontic life cycle and which is seen in Volvox and Chlamydomonas. Choose the correct statement about the accessory pigment found in plant. Accessory pigment do not have the ability to absorb light. Okay, they have the ability to absorb light, so it is incorrect. We have to find the correct statement. Accessory pigment of the plant include chlorophyll. No, chlorophyll is not accessory pigment, it is reaction center. Accessory pigment prevent the photooxidation of chlorophyll A. Yes. The accessory pigment prevent the photooxidation of chlorophyll A molecule. So discard the required answer. Read the following statement. Cerebral aqueduct passes through the cerebrum. No, it is passes through the midbrain. It is incorrect. Okay, the cones are responsible for photopic vision and rods are for scotopic vision. Yes, it is absolutely correct because photopic हो गया अपने पास कौन सा, रोटोपिक मतलब scotopic vision is given by rod. See, scotopic vision means twilight vision, रात में विजन, रात से आर से रॉड, रात विजन रात हो गया, बिल्कुल सही है। तो यहाँ पे ये वाला गलत हो जाएगा, ये वाला सही है, इट इज इनकरेक्ट एंड द एम्पुला इज फाउंड इन द बेस ऑफ द सेमिसर्कुलर कैनाल एंड इट स्पेशल रिसेप्टर हेल्प इन हियरिंग. No, it help in balancing and not in hearing. It help in balancing and not in hearing. Okay, next is okay, daylight vision, photopic vision, night vision, that is scotopic vision, the function of rods. Okay, and swelling means the ampulla swelling is ampulla and inside that it contain crista, and crista help in balancing of the body posture. So we have only one option which is correct. And next, some plants show cylinder lateral branches which arises from the base of the main axis and arc downward after its initial aerial growth to touch the ground. The example of such plant is seed is nothing but it is talking about stolon. Okay, spread, okay, ground, touch the ground and form the new plant, that is stolon. It is found in mint and jasmine. It is found in mint and jasmine. A flower part move and grow downward to side and then generate into a new plant. Okay, in glycolysis ATP is used in which of the following reaction? In glycolysis ATP is used in the first reaction, that is from glucose to glucose 6-phosphate. So this is correct. And from fructose 6-phosphate to fructose 1,6-bis-phosphate. So it is also correct. And we have AC which is correct. Aerobic respiration is composed of two crucial events. Choose the correct option regarding this site. Okay. See, we have two crucial events. The first is the Krebs cycle, which occur in the mitochondrial matrix, and the second is ETS, which occur in the inner mitochondrial membrane. Okay, one event occur in the mitochondrial matrix, and another in the inner mitochondrial membrane.